welcome to Designbuddy. Today we are making a login page design based on Halloween theme. Now let's open Figma. Stay with us till the end of the video. If you like our video, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. First, we are using a Halloween GIF, then tree shape and moon. Now using profile and password icon, ghost and bat PNG. Now we are choosing our primary and secondary color. First, we are making our background frame. Now we are changing background color. Now we are taking our main frame and the frame size is 1920 1080. Now rename this frame laptop and background frame dashboard. Taking a main frame, drop shadow for look minimalist. Now our main frame is ready. First we taking Halloween background shape and placing it on bottom. Now changing frame background color. Now I am taking Halloween GIF and I will place it main frame. Now place the tree shapes. Now placing moon on the right top. I am taking rectangular shape for username and password field. Now changing its color and add gradient stroke. Make this corner round. Taking copy for the fields. Now add background blur for those fields. Add logging button. Now change the color. Now using drop shadow for glowing looks. Now place password and profile icon. Now placing ghost shapes. Now back PNG. Ghost face shape. Now we are making prototype. First, copy this main frame. Now change the moon and ghost position for default prototype animation. Now we set up prototype. On click, smart animation, custom, and you can see the points. That's it. Thank you guys.